Hey guys, it's Catherine Montez. Thanks for tuning in once again. If you have not, click that subscribe button. Go ahead. Over here has a little bell so you get notified every time I come out with a new video. And of course, if you are watching this on YouTube, go ahead and smash that like button so you can help me with the algorithm and more people will be able to see this content and I'll keep bringing out content. But I wanted to uh, hit this topic because it's something that I've been getting a lot lately in my inbox when people are asking me for information on how to, join my business. And they get so worried about the recruiting part. And, as much as I keep trying to, um, you know, express that it's really not the recruiting part that's hard when it comes to an online business. And I might have some people, of course, say different. But from my experience, I've been doing this for 4 years. With the trial and error that I've gone through, and people coming and going, in and out of the business, it's like a revolving door. Some people will stay there for the long run, like a lot of us, and then some people will just quit. And I've come to really come to understand that it's really not the recruiting part. It's more about staying consistent and putting in the effort. Okay, it's just like anything that you want to accomplish. If you're trying to go to the gym to get a better body, to lose weight, to get muscle, you have to be consistent by doing the workouts, do the diet. So I feel like it has to do a lot with discipline and creating that habit of becoming consistent and putting in the effort and just keep going. We're all human. It happens to all of us. It's happened to me, even working out. I will have that momentum going and then I will stop and I won't do it for a few days, and then it becomes more of laziness and procrastinating, and before you know it, I eventually get back to it, but it's not being consistent. So if I was being consistent, I would probably see more results. Um, but it's really not what I'm trying to get to now. I just wanted to throw that out there. But about recruiting, people are under the impression that you have to know a certain amount of people to recruit. So they start thinking in their head, well, who do I know? And who's going to want to do this? Well, my friends are not going to want to do this, and my family. So right there, you're already setting yourself up for failure and disappointment because you're prejudging. And it's one of the many small mistakes that networker marketers do, and they prejudge people. I mean, they might say no right now, but eventually you don't know if they're going to say yes. I've actually had a lot of friends that when I first started this industry, it would be more like they'll ask me about it and I would talk about it, and it'll just go in and out of one ear. I couldn't grasp their attention. And it was basically because, I wasn't being consistent myself. So once they actually saw that I was passionate and really serious about growing my business with this company, they actually started jumping on board. A lot of my friends have become my clients, have been able to fix their credit. Some of them jumped on the business opportunity, and some wanted just to show support, so they signed up for a month or two, which is awesome, and I appreciate you guys who did that. But it's really not who you know, because fortunately, with everything going on, this pandemic, the coronavirus, a lot of people had to start learning a new skill anyway and work from home. And, they started their online business. And where do we do that, guys? We do it on Facebook. We do it on Instagram. We do it on Twitter. We do it on LinkedIn. We do it on TikTok now. We do it on Parler, which is a new, platform. We do it online. Social media has become one of the biggest ways to network any type of business. If you scroll right now through your page, you'll start seeing a lot of advertisements from a lot of companies that you are familiar with and a lot of companies that you're not. So, a lot of companies, instead of spending thousands and millions of dollars in advertisement, they're using people, regular people like you and me, to promote their business. And for that, they'll pay you an incentive, or they'll give you something in return. But my company, we do pay cash money every single Friday. We also pay you for team sales, and we pay you monthly residuals, so it's passive income. But what we do, we teach you on how to network with people outside of your network. Okay, and that's all network marketing. So the company that I'm with will go ahead and give you step-by-step training, and on top of that, you'll have myself and the other leaders on the team, plus the whole entire team, help you learn how to engage, how to grow your audience, which audience to, target for your business. And, knowing a certain amount of people, it's okay if you don't have that many friends. To be honest, I didn't know half of the people or the majority of people, or maybe all of the people at first who joined my team. I didn't know anybody. And, it's all about making that connection, building that relationship, that trust. Just make them know that you really want to help them, do better in life. You give them that reassurance that they're just not going to be a sale and you're not going to leave them. Unfortunately, some companies do have those individuals that are not leaders, but they're more like takers, and they just want people to sign up and they never help them out, which kind of sucks for the rest of the entrepreneurs, because now they are under the impression that every entrepreneur, every network marketer is just out to get a dollar. But the fact of the matter is that we do care. We're a community, we're a family, we all help each other out. We actually do want to see people succeed in this industry and in life. So that's what I love, what I do. It's my passion. I love to network with people. I've made a lot of great friends that live all over the United States of America, and they've become a big part of my life. And I didn't know them. They were a stranger when I first reached out to them, or they messaged me because they wanted information. I have plenty of people that have been with me since day one, and it's just been a loyal partnership, back and forth. But don't worry about coming into any online business not knowing that many people, because I didn't know that many people. And we have a big community. We have a lot of business partners. Like I said, we got super close. We all were strangers. We're going to teach you on how to reach out to other people, like I have, and how many other successful entrepreneurs have been able to do with this company in this industry. So if you're worried about you don't have that many friends, or you don't know that many people to recruit, that's why I'm here. I'm going to teach you step by step how I was able to learn the things that I've learned throughout my journey. I'm going to go ahead and help you and teach you how to do this. But you do have to be coachable. Please come into this with a positive, open mindset. Be coachable. Whatever I say, it's not like, okay, well, I'm trying to be a boss, so why do I have to listen to you, Catherine? You're going to listen to me because I'm going to be the one that's going to mentor you to want to go to the next level, who will eventually help you get to a 4-figure, 3-figure, 4-figure, 5-figure, 6-figure, 7-figure, But like I tell all my new members, all recruits, all leads, prospects, all those in that list, if you're going to work for me, you're going to work with me, you have to be coachable. You have to do your part so I can do mine, and so the team can do theirs also. We all help each other out. This is a team effort. No one person ever made it to the top by themselves, and you will not make it to the top by yourself. So if you like to help people, if you want to see people succeed, if you're coachable, if you're willing to learn a new skill that has been around forever, that a lot of people are turning to now, okay? Then after this video, or leave a comment down below saying that you're ready, you want more information on my econ, I'll go ahead and send it to you. But there's plenty of information all over my page. There's plenty of testimonials from clients and from team members that have been able to see results just using the strategies that my econ teaches them. I've seen people make from adjusting their W-4 form, getting an extra $100 to almost $1,500. I've seen people on my team remove over $67,000 worth of student loans and medical collections. I myself was able to remove my student loans and some medical collections I've seen people on my team remove repos and evictions and late payments and buying themselves brand new cars because they were able to, fix their credit, or they're increasing their cash flow. They're able to quit that second job because they were able to, bring more money in from their main job because they simply just fixed their W-4 form, which is also very simple. I did that too when I used to work for Cricket Wireless. I gave myself an extra $200 monthly, so that was an extra $50 a week. I'll take it, but I've seen a lot of success stories. But once again, guys, I know that this video has been a little bit all over the place, and it does say, how can you recruit more people, or whatever the title says. But yes, guys, I'm going to teach you, we're all going to teach you how to recruit outside of your network just by following step-by-step training that I followed. I followed my mentor, and he followed his mentor. Okay, it's just this is a generation that you want to be close, and you want to break the old generation, broke, struggling, living a paycheck. That's the generation we want to break. We want to build new, successful people out there. I mean, this is 2020. If you're not making money online, like you're doing everything else, you buy food online, you buy alcohol online, you can go to school online, you buy makeup online. Guys, you can order online your food. That's what started off, food. Now we have Ubers and stuff, okay? I take 100% advantage of this technology going on. Like I said, this is Wi-Fi world. If you don't have something digital and working for you, you're struggling backwards, my friend. So if you like this content, if you got any value out of this video, please leave me a comment down below. Also, go subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. Show support. And I just also want to thank every single person on my social media that has supported me since day one. Those people that didn't believe in me before, and then you actually went into my inbox and told me that you're proud of me. All those things every single day motivate me. I love you guys. Let's keep crushing it. Again, message me if you're ready to join my team. I'll be more than happy to help you, grow. Put in some extra money in your pocket, or share this with a friend that can use this as well. We're always looking for leadership-driven people that love to help others and that want to grow. And hey, do something different than just work a regular 9-to-5, which there's nothing wrong with it, but you do know that there are restrictions, and there's nothing like being your own boss. So guys, be safe, continue to wear your mask, and wash your hands 20 seconds. And once again, peace. Thank you for tuning in. Love you guys. Bye.